Let's have a mindful minute about how the stories we tell ourselves can make or break us. Whenever I wake up in the morning and feel the weight of the world, what I'm really feeling is the burden of myself. Why can't I make more money? Why can't I be in a better mood? Why can't I get done everything that I want to get done? It can be a vicious cycle sometimes. Even Jerry Seinfeld feels this way when he wakes up in the morning. He admitted this in a recent Carl Reiner documentary on HBO called If You're Not in the Obit, Eat Breakfast. I really appreciated him being so transparent about that in the documentary because we are all human after all. So how can we transform these burdens that we're feeling into benefits and blessings? Here's how: by changing the stories we tell ourselves. Like, I'm not good enough, I don't have any money, no one understands or appreciates me. And the quickest way to flip that script around is through gratitude and appreciation. For example, no one understands me or appreciates me. Not true. So how about I so appreciate that my best friend understands and appreciates me. I love that bitch. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. I'm Gregory Douglass, and thanks for watching.